Say goodbye to dark and dated and hello to a sexy, beachy Hamptons vibe. Experience the stunning transformation of this Brentwood beauty from dreary to dreamy. This is 9050 Split Log Road. Today, we are joined by Nicole Holmes of Netflix's Marriage or Mortgage.
Hi, today we're in Brentwood, a tranquil Nashville suburb.
Today, Brentwood, Tennessee is one of the wealthiest cities in America. The high quality of life the city provides its residents makes it a popular destination for families and corporate headquarters. This home was built in 1998, but brought to life after a stunning 8-month renovation. From top to bottom, every corner of this sprawling 7,000 square foot estate has been flawlessly reimagined. And there's no doubt Nicole is already enchanted by our favorite addition to this luxurious haven.
This 3-acre property is all about spaciousness and privacy, and this grass edge pool blends seamlessly into the naturalness of your backyard oasis. I absolutely adore how the outdoor and indoor come alive while entertaining. It truly makes hosting effortless.
The transformation of this space is sensational. They essentially doubled it by adding the window wall. The kitchen was so dark and heavy and overly formal, and now it's so bright and airy.
Yeah, it's really simplified. It's so clean and open without the circular layout in the center island. And all these cabinets have their very own room for all your culinary gadgets and Costco supplies.
This is where the family lives. This is where you cook and eat and relax, but when you have guests or you want a clear view to the pool, this more formal living space is easily connected right here.
And when only a formal sit-down dinner will do, the dining room is so inviting, yet still holds that air of sophistication.
When you're ready to slip away from the party, the primary bedroom feels like a world all its own, with a peaceful color palette, sitting area, fireplace, and a quick exit to the backyard.
Talk about a makeover. This primary bath has had a facelift all on its own. It really takes advantage of the arched windows and all the streaming natural light. Look at these marble floors and shower. It's the air of sophistication everybody wants. Oh, and of course, closets for two.
And if work is calling, the office is only a few steps away.
Or we could head up these dramatic stairs.
Kids and guests will be spoiled with 4 graciously sized ensuite bedrooms, each perfectly private. Nicole!
It's perfect for game night and movies.
We'd like to thank Amanda Harvey of simpliHŌM and Nic Kerdiles of Compass for allowing us to feature their listing and share with you this phenomenal transformation. From Nashville to Leipers Fork, penthouses to acreage estates, we've got you covered. If you're ready to find your newly transformed Nashville beauty, text HOME to 615-200-0667 to get started. And finally, for all things Nashville luxury real estate, subscribe to our channel so you can get an up-close peek at the best Nashville estate homes. Till then,